Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math with Miss Lena. As promised, here's my part 2 video on multiplying decimals, going over just a couple more examples. So our first example is 2.4 times 0.03. So again, our first step when multiplying decimals is to convert each decimal that we're given into a whole number. So starting with 2.4, we would rewrite that as a whole number as 24 for 0.03. To rewrite that as a whole number, we're just going to write that as 3. So 4 times 3 is just 72. So we have 72. Now our next step is to go back to this equation up here, the original equation we have, and see how many place values to the right of the decimal do we have behind each number. So we have 1 here and then 2 here, so 3 in total. So we're going to place our decimal right here to the right of our number and move over that many spaces to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So that makes our answer, the product of 2.4 times 0.03, 0.072. For our next and our final example, we have 6.25 times 0.16. So we would first again start by rewriting these decimals as whole numbers. 6.25 as a whole number without that decimal is just 625. 0.16 as a whole number without the decimal is just 16. So we have here 625 times 16, 6 times 5, which is 30. So we write 3 up here, bring the 0 down here. 6 times 2 is 12. So then 12 plus 3 is 15. We can cross out that 3, write a 1 up here, 5 down here. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1 is 37. Then we're going to add a 0 here and multiply with this 1. So 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 6 is 6. Then we're going to add everything down here. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, and then we have 1 plus 7 plus 2. So 1 plus 7 is 8, and then 8 plus 2 is 10. And then lastly, we have 1 plus 3 plus 6. So that is 10. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. So we have 10,000. That is our answer. Well, that is not our final answer. So this is what we have, the product of 625 times 16. So we're going to go over here and see how many place values we have to the right of our decimal. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we're going to move our decimal to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then our answer for 6.25 times 0.16 would just be 1.0. And 1.0 is literally just 1. I hope this video helped a lot. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.